Yes, change the order of integration. Integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to square root 1 minus x square y square dx dy. So how to solve this answer? So an example, there is a circle over here, x-axis, y-axis. Now here square root of 1 minus x square they gave. Now let's integral. Okay, integration I is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1, integral y is equal to 0 to square root of 1 minus x square y square into dy dx. Fine. That is equal to integral y is equal to 0 to 1, integral x is equal to 0 to square root of 1 minus y square. So y square into dx dy. That is equal to integral y is equal to 0 to 1 y square of x is equal to 0 to square root of 1 minus y square into dy. That is equal to integral y is equal to 0 to 1 y square root of 1 minus y square into dy. So put y is equal to sine theta. Therefore dy is equal to cos theta into d theta. Yes, right? Cos theta into d theta. But now this theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Therefore I is equal to integral theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2 y square x is equal to 0 to square root of 1 minus y square dy. That is equal to integral y is equal to 0 to 1 y square root of 1 minus y square into dy. So put y is equal to sine theta, dy is equal to cos theta d theta. Now theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, already we know that. In this case I is equal to integral theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2, on the place of y sine theta, y square sine square theta. Here x value how much? X value what you can replace? X value, can you put it as a cos square theta? Sorry, here. Y is equal to sin square theta, square root of 1 minus y square. So square root of 1 minus sin square theta, square root of 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, square root of cos square theta is equal to cos theta. Yes, right? But there is a square root. There is a square root. Got my point?
Yes.
So cos square theta only will come. D theta. Yes. So that is equal to here integral sin square theta cos square theta d theta. Now here sin pi by 2 1.
Yeah.
Yes, na? So sin square pi by 2, which is 1, and again upper limit minus lower limit we have to do. Can you do it by reduction formula? Sin square theta into cos square theta into d theta, what you can get it? Can you do it while using UV method? Once you can substitute after the integration, lower limit and upper limit values only will be pyramidable. Then pi by 16 will come. So I is equal to finally pi by 16. This one I'm giving homework to you, how it comes. Okay?
Yeah.
Next question. Change the order of integration and calculate 0 to infinitive, 0 to x to infinitive, e power minus y by y, dy dx. Yes?
Yeah.
Now, there is an x-axis and y-axis. As you know that y is equal to x. This is y is equal to x. Here, whenever x-axis y value 0, on y-axis x value 0. So this is the way. Fine. Now I is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to infinitive, integral y is equal to x to infinitive, e power minus y by y, dy dx. Now y is equal to 0 to infinitive and x is equal to 0 to y. Now I is equal to integral y is equal to 0 to infinitive, integral x is equal to 0 to y, e power minus y by y into dx dy. That is equal to integral y is equal to 0 to infinitive, e power minus y by y, x of 0 to y into dy will come. Yes. Now again, this we solved. Coming to here. Then now I is equal to integral y is equal to 0 to infinitive, e power minus y by y. Here upper limit only you can solve it. Minus y by y into y dy. These two will be cancelled. So I is equal to integral y is equal to 0 to infinitive, e power minus y into dy. Integral e power minus y minus e power minus y 0 to infinitive, which is 1. Therefore, I is equal to 1. Can you do it without seeing both? One more question. Change the order of integration. Integral 0 to y, 0 to infinitive. Integral x to infinitive. Zero to infinitive, or you can make it as 0 to x, 0 to x, x e power minus x square by y dy dx by the changing of the order. Can you try your own? Here the reason I'll tell you. On x-axis, y-axis, y is equal to x. So here y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. So this area will come. Fine. Can you try? Yes. Now as you know that while changing of the order, y is equal to 0 to infinitive and x is equal to y to infinitive, what we discussed. Now I is equal to integral, change the integration, y is equal to 0 to infinitive, integral x is equal to y to infinitive, x e power minus x square by y dx dy, we can do that. Yes. Now here x square by y is equal to t. Therefore, 2x by y into dx is equal to dt. X into dx is equal to y into dt by 2. Also, when x is equal to y, t is equal to y, and when x is equal to infinitive, t is equal to infinitive. So therefore, I is equal to integral y is equal to 0 to infinitive, integral t is equal to y to infinitive, e power minus t, y by 2 into dt into dy. Now, integral y is equal to 0 to infinitive, y by 2, e power minus t. So t is equal to y to infinitive into dy. Got the point? Here x is equal to infinitive, t is equal to infinitive. Now, y is equal to 0 to infinitive, y by 2. Again, here we solved minus e power minus t, t is equal to y to infinitive. That is equal to 1 by 2, integral y is equal to 0 to infinitive, y e power minus y into dy. Now here the most important, as you know Bernoulli's rule, in that I is equal to 1 by 2, here y of minus e power minus y is equal to 0 to infinitive, minus 1 into e power minus y is equal to 0 to infinitive. Now that is equal to 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 2. Sorry. Please note it down. Understand and note it down. Change the order of integration. Integral 1 to 2. Integral 1 to x square plus y square into dy dx. Now this is x-axis.
1 to 2.
Integral 1 to 2. Integral 1 to x square. See the concept here. 1 to 2, 1 to x square plus y square dy dx. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Here x is equal to 1. This is the line. Say an example, x is equal to 1. This is 1 unit. This line will indicate y is equal to 1. Yes. Now this curved line, already we know that there is y is equal to x square. Yes. Now 1 to 2 they gave. 1 to 2 means cut the line somewhere over here. Yes. This is x is equal to 2 line. If it is x is equal to 2, what about this point? 1, 1.
Yeah.
What about this point? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. What about this point? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Because whenever x is equal to 2, once you substitute over here, y value will comes as a 4. So this we can able to clearly understand. Now the points of intersection at y is equal to 1 with x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Here 2 are there. So 1, 1, 2, 1 are the points of intersection of y is equal to x square. Then x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, 1, 1, 2, 4. Now x is equal to square root of y. Since y is equal to x square, 2x is equal to 2. Now I is equal to integral y is equal to 1 to 4, integral x is equal to square root y to 2, x square plus y square into dx dy. That is equal to integral y is equal to 1 to 4. So this is x cube by 3 plus y square x is equal to square root y to 2 into dy. Directly we are solving.
Yeah.
Now integral y is equal to 1 to 4. Substitute it, 8 by 3 plus 2y square minus y power 3 by 2 by 3 plus y power 5 by 2 into dy. Now 8 by 3 y 1 to 4 plus 2 by 3 y cube 1 to 4 minus 1 by 3 into 2 by 5 y power 5 by 2 1 to 4 minus 2 by 7 here 2 by 7. I guess I can change the color. I'll continue over here. Sorry, y by 2 power 4 will come. This is 4, y by 2 power 4 minus, substitute, 1 to 4 plus 2 by 3, y cube will come over here, y cube by 3 means 3 will come over here. So 1 to 4 again substitute, minus 1 by 3, 2 by 5, y power, y by 2 power 1 to 4, substitute, 2 by 5, here y power plus 1 means 7 by 2. So y power 7 by 2, again 1 to 4. Now which is 8 by 3, 4 minus 1 plus 2 by 3, 64 minus 1 minus 2 by 15, 4 power 5 by 2 minus 1 minus 2 by 7, 4 power 7 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 8 plus 42 minus 2 by 15 into 32 minus 1 minus 2 by 7 into 128 minus 1 is equal to 50 minus 62 by 15 minus 254 by 7, which is equal to 1006 by 105. Therefore, I is equal to 1006 by I05. That's it. Please note it down.